site from OfficeSpace. And while we're doing that, tell me a little bit about what OfficeSpace, besides being a heck of a movie, what does it offer?
So we are a startup, and we're reinventing the way tenants find space online. And our goal is, and our mission is really to provide an efficient marketplace between tenants and landlords as well as brokers.
Okay.
So just about done here. So hopefully it'll show up there. Great.
Great. So yeah.
So this is a really great thing for tenants because they've never had access to listing information that's unrestricted or free. So it helps them make business decisions, and it's great for landlords and brokers because we're providing them access to a market that they may never have otherwise had access to.
Okay, so you've simplified the process. It's almost, I mean, I don't want to call Craigslist into this, but if I'm looking for an office space, I'll go to OfficeSpace.com.
Yes.
I'll look around in my market, in my zip, and find what's available.
Yeah.
What differentiates this from other solutions?
Yeah, so we're unique in a couple of ways. The first is that we reach tenants at a very early stage in their office space move process, and we provide them tools to help them research. Secondly, we work with landlords and brokers to help make them more efficient, and we give them tools to do that, and it's all for free.
Interesting. What is your model? How do you guys get involved financially in all of this?
Yeah, so we actually provide leads to brokers or landlords for free, so we don't get involved in that, but we do have a lot of tenants who come to our site looking for help, and sometimes they're not working with the broker, and we're able to refer them out.
Terrific. Anything else about OfficeSpace that you kind of want to make us aware of that we haven't seen before? Or?
Yeah, well, so today is actually the launch of our new market in Denver.
Oh, great.
And we have been in Portland since January, and it was in beta, and now we're officially out of beta. And in the first 3 months in Portland, we were able to connect over 350 tenants to landlords and brokers in that market. So we're excited for Denver and have big hopes for that. And in addition, we have also launched some new broker tools. And so we already talked about providing leads to brokers for free. In addition, we also provide some marketing tools to really enhance the individual brokers' marketing efforts that they already do. So they could use our site to create marketing flyers without any software, and many big companies have graphic designers on staff, but many smaller companies don't have access to those kinds of resources, and so without any software, we provide a way to make a professional looking flyer. Brokers can also use, we also provide a free website for brokers, so they could just claim their URL on our website, and so it would be www.officespace.com/their name, and use that in any marketing material that they have.
Is there anything interesting on the site that you can kind of take us on a tour of? Is it pretty basic? Are there any of your interesting tools here?
Sure. So, well, I'd have to log in, but...
Great. I'm just going to secretly take down your PIN code and log in as you later. Fantastic.
Okay.
So is that also the password to your bank account? Fabulous.
Yeah.
I'll look forward to spending a fair amount of your money on high-end electronics and travel to Europe.
I'll be cutting off my credit cards very soon.
Fantastic. And that's what it's all about here at Conference Live.
Let's take a look at broker tools. You can see it. So this is a demo account. This is what a listing broker would see. So all of their contact information and all of the spaces that they represent.
Okay.
And I think the most interesting thing here would be this unique URL that we would provide for someone. So you can't see it that well up here, but it would
Washington Brokers LLC.
Yeah, that's
right.
We would provide the domain name, and that can be used anywhere.
That's great.
And I'll also show you. So this is what most of our broker partners are most excited about, is that we actually provide them qualified tenants who are looking for space in one of their buildings. So you could actually view a lead on our website, and we send this information to a broker in real time. So they'd get an email from us with all this information. They could also come to our site if they needed to just keep everything organized. But essentially, we want our tenant to actually transact and close the lease, and we want to provide that information to brokers. We also provide a tool for brokers to create market surveys. So if they have a client looking for 5,000 to 6,000 square feet, they'd go to our website, pull a report for them, and we provide really easy tool to actually view all the information on a website that's branded specifically for a broker and has all of the information on it, or they could just link to a PDF that we provide. And these are all brand new features that we've just recently launched. And then what I was talking about earlier, the flyers, they could actually create a professional looking flyer for their property without any software. And essentially anywhere you see something to click on, you could click on it and upload photos or change text.
Fantastic.
Or copy. And it's all free. It's all really easy to use.
That's great. And you're having success with it in Portland and launching in Denver. And for you personally, what's been the most exciting part of this conference for you guys?
Well, this is actually my first time at this conference. So it's just been great to learn more about what's going on and meet people in the industry and talk about what we have to offer. I think that a lot of people are surprised that no one else does this already, and we're here to offer that service.
Fantastic. Well, I want to thank you for being on Conference Live and wish you great luck with OfficeSpace.
Thank you.
Thanks, Susie.
Nice to meet you.
You too.